Good morning. We'll discuss this example. If a student walks from his house to school at 5 km per hour, he arrives 10 minutes late. If he increases his speed from 5 km per hour to 6 km per hour, he arrives 15 minutes early. What is the distance between his house and the school? So he arrives 10 minutes late if he come at a speed of 5 km per hour, and he arrives 15 minutes early if he come at a speed of 6 km per hour. So we can say the total time difference is this 10 plus 5, sorry, 10 plus 15, 25 minutes. Now this time is in total difference, time is in minutes. Consider it's in hours. 25 by 60, so this is coming equal to 5 by 12 hours. Now we have to let the distance is same, so write the difference between the two travel times. Okay, so distance upon speed, so you know that distance upon the speed for slow minus distance upon speed for fast is equal to time difference. Okay, so this d upon when he come to school at 5 km per hour, this is the speed, and when he come to the school at 6 km per hour, so distance upon 6, so that difference is 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the equations we have set. Now we have to solve this equation and find the, so cross multiply this 6d minus 5d is equal to 5 by 12, and therefore this 6 minus 5d, that is d, is equal to 5 into 30 by 12. So we will get here, this is 150 by 12, and if we divide this we will get 12.5 kilometer. So the distance between his house and the school is 12.5 kilometer. Okay, now we'll discuss another example. The train running at a speed of 72 km per hour crosses a 260 meter long platform in 23 seconds. What is the length of the train? So the train running at a speed of 72 km per hour. Okay, so the speed of the train is given 72 km per hour, but we have to convert this into the meter per second, because the platform length may be in meters. Okay, so platform length may be in meters, so I have to convert this speed of the train in meter per second. So speed, it is given 72 km per hour. We have to multiply this by 5 by 18, and this is will get 20 meter per second. So 18 4 is 72, 5 4 is 20 meter per second. Okay, so we have got the speed in meter per second. Now when the train crosses the platform when the train crosses a platform is distance up to 60 meters and it covers in 23 seconds. We have to find the length of the train. So total distance we can find here, total distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so speed is 20 meter per second into time required is 23 seconds. Okay, so this is the 460 meters. 460 meters. Now what we have to find, what is the length of the train? So length of the train plus length of the platform is the total distance 460 meters. So total length, train length L plus platform length is equal to 460 meter. Okay, now a train length we have to calculate. Platform length crosses the 260 meter platform, so 260 length of platform is given is equal to 460. So in this way we can calculate here L is equal to 460 minus 260, so this is a 200 meter. So this is the length of the train. So in this way we can calculate the length of the train. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like, share and also subscribe. Thank you very much.